Hi, Rash here. In this video I will be giving a detailed review of the Moringa Magic supplement. And when buying Moringa Magic, there are two important things to consider that will help you to make an informed choice, so that you can save money and health. So stay with me until the end of the video. Here is the important thing: you must be very careful about it when purchasing Moringa Magic. And where are you purchasing it? Because there are websites that pretend to provide authentic product, but none of them are not. And the original version of Moringa Magic can only be found on the official website of the manufacturer. So guys, if you want to go to the official website and know more information about this product, I have placed the link in the video description and also pinned it in the top comment. And therefore you are safe to buy the product from the original source without any issue. Okay, so make sure you get the real deal. So let's talk about what actually is Moringa Magic, what the benefit is, and how does it work. According to my research, Moringa Magic is the innovative dietary supplement made from Moringa oleifera plant designed to offer a powerful form of this well-known superfood that is simple for the body to digest, enabling you to easily experience the full range of its advantages. Unlike other supplements, this Moringa Magic has become a groundbreaking supplement that combined the amazing health benefits of the Moringa oleifera plant with contemporary ease. This all-natural mixture is intended to support general health, increase vitality, and strengthen the immune system. How to take it to experience the benefits of Moringa Magic? You should take Moringa Magic as directed on the product label in order to get the most advantages. Simply take 2 Moringa capsules once daily with an 8-ounce glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before meals. These capsules are full of essential vitamins and antioxidants that help with digestion, detoxification, heart health, and mental renewal. This supplement is also a flexible addition to anyone's health routine. It is appropriate for vegetarians and vegans. If you are still unsure, you can head over to the official website, where I have placed the link in the video description. So how long does it take to achieve the best result? The result may vary from person to person, but many users report feeling more vibrant and energetic within a few weeks after beginning Moringa Magic, so we'll strongly advise trying the Moringa Magic supplement. If you take it as prescribed, you will see results. I suggest trying at least 1 to 2 bottles of the supplement. If you like it, you can purchase more, and here is the best part: what if Moringa Magic doesn't work for me? They have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can ask for a refund on the official website, and they will give your money back to you, so there is nothing to lose here. It is risk-free, okay? So are there any side effects? Guys, Moringa Magic is a dietary supplement derived from plant-based ingredients. It only has Moringa leaves, and it is 100% pure. There are no side effects or contradictions, and most people believe it's safe for everyday use. I can't stress enough, like I said earlier. Please be careful about some people trying to sell a counterfeit product, yet the original website, which has all of these benefits, can only be found by clicking the link below in the video description and also pinned in the top comment, and it is the only place you can buy Moringa Magic. Start using it, and you will see results in a few weeks. Try it out if you're ready to transform your life and put an end to your worry and sadness, so that is all I can say. If you buy the product from the link in my video description box, I will send you a free bonus. To get the bonus, just message me with my Instagram ID in the description box, and I will send it to you. If my video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, you can comment down below. I will see you in my next video.